Excel provides a quick way to apply a mathematical operation on a range of cells. You can use the paste special function to multiply a range of cells by a number as follows. Input the number 8 into a blank cell and copy it. Select the range that you want to multiply a value. Click Home, Paste, Paste Special. Or right-click, click Paste Special. In the Paste Special dialog box, click All option in the Paste section. And click Multiply option in the Operation section. And then click the OK button. How to multiply one column by another. The simplest way to multiply two columns in Excel is by using a simple formula with the multiplication symbol. Here's how. Multiply two cells in the first row. Supposing your data begins in row 2, with B and C being the columns to be multiplied. The multiplication formula you put in D2 is as plain as this. Equals B2 C2. Drag the small green square in the lower right corner of D2 to copy the formula down the column, until the last cell with data. How to multiply two columns with an array formula. Select the entire range where you want to enter the formula. Using the shown data, the range will be D2, D6. Type the formula in the formula bar, which is equals B2, B6 C2, C6. And press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. As soon as you do this, Excel will enclose the formula in curly braces, which is an indication of an array formula. As the result, Excel will multiply a value in column B by a value in column C in each row, without you having to copy the formula down. How to multiply two columns with product function. You can multiply two columns by using the product function. Supposing your data begins in row 2, with B and C being the columns to be multiplied. The multiplication formula you put in D2 is as plain as this. Equals product B2, C2. Drag the small green square in the lower right corner of D2 to copy the formula down the column, until the last cell with data. The references will change based on a relative position of the row where the formula is copied. For example, the formula in D3 changes to equals product B3, C3, the formula in D4 becomes equals product B4, C4, and so on.